everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going on board the Iona, which is so exciting. Well, not actually today, but in this video we will be. I'm going to be doing our pre and embarkation day all in one video. Today we are travelling down to Legoland, which is about halfway to Southampton from where we live. We're going to go to Legoland, stay in the night, and then tomorrow going to Southampton and going on the Iona. I'm very excited and I'm going to take you guys along with me, so let's go. So I did start out by actually vlogging this Legoland trip, but looking back it was atrocious, so I thought I'd do a quick voiceover of how the day was. I've not been to Legoland for about 5 years, but looking back at it, it's absolutely amazing. So much has changed, such as this ride here, Flight of the Skyline, is amazing, a bit like soaring. The aquarium ride is always my favourite, I just love it. And Miniland is also amazing. We had a really, really good day despite it being super busy. And I feel like Legoland is just timeless and families, old and young, can really enjoy it. Really good day at Legoland. It was quite busy and it was also really horrible weather, to be fair, considering it's July and it's been rainy. But yeah, we're gonna head over to our hotel. I think we're in Fleet. It's about half an hour from Legoland, about an hour from Southampton, staying at a Premier Inn and then enjoying the rest of the day. About 7:30 we had our breakfast. It was very nice. It was quite small, but it was really, really good, and I ate way too much as always. I think we're gonna head down to Southampton. Well, drive the way down there in about 20 minutes, half an hour time. But yeah, I'll stay in the Premier Inn at Fleet. It's been really, really good. Very comfortable beds, nice area. Yeah, let's go. So we've made it into Southampton and we're now going to go to IKEA. The IKEA is basically just opposite the cruise port and you get free parking, and we spent over £30 in IKEA, otherwise it's £3.50. We're going to have one around there, have a look in some of the nearby shops and then check in for cookies. It's got a little ice cream from IKEA. It's only 75p, which is obviously such a good price. We're now going to sit and eat this wait for our parents. So we're now in the car with our IKEA plants and we are going to be finding our parking. I believe it's, what's it called, Ocean CPS, because there's lots of different terminals, so just behind us, you can't see anymore. Just there is the MSC Virtuosa and there's a Celebrity Cruise. There's 5 cruises in port today, so it's hectic here in Southampton, very busy, but hopefully we can find our drive-in and car park efficient. Just behind the trees, you see our ship for the first time. Parked up, it's really, really easy. You basically give your car to the drivers and they'll do photo checks and everything like that, and then they'll park it for you. And we're now going to go and pop our suitcases over in the terminal and check in nice and early before it gets too busy, and then go into Southampton because our check-in time isn't until 3 o'clock, so we've still got quite a while. So because our check-in isn't until 3, we can't join the queue quite yet, but the queue is quite busy. I don't quite know how long it takes yet though, but actually to put suitcases in was really, really easy. We literally just handed them to them and that was done. So like I said, our check-in is at 3 o'clock. However, my mum spoke to the people who work there and said that we should be able to actually join the queue at about 1 o'clock. So we've got about an hour and a half to spend in Southampton. We're gonna go and get coffee probably and stuff like that, and then come back at about 1 o'clock to join the queue. So we've just got some food like crisps and stuff and some wine from Lidl, which is just down the high street, and we're now going to walk over to the cruise port. It's about 1:45 now, so we've got just a while to get there and then check in. So it's about 1:10 now and we are in the queue. I will let you know when we actually get through all the check-in area and stuff like that. It's quite busy, it's very windy, but the cruise it's just behind us, so it's very exciting. We have managed to actually get the Wi-Fi while we're actually in this queue, because without the Wi-Fi you can't pre-book the Olive Grove and other restaurants, so we're doing that now hopefully, because it can get sold out. So we're going to give that a go and then hopefully we've at least pre-booked and made some money. Okay, so little update, we are currently still in the queue outside. I wouldn't really recommend getting here early, to be fair, because we've been here for an hour, they told us to get here for an hour. Our boarding time's 3 o'clock and we're still waiting, nothing's really happened at all. It is very, very busy. Okay, update, it's actually now 2 o'clock and we've just got into this departure lounge after waiting outside. So maybe get here about an hour early, but nothing more than that because you will be waiting outside for a while. I'm not sure how much more waiting we have to do in here, but we will see. We've got this whole queue here for the check-in area, which is just there, and then just through there you've got security. There are loads of seats but no one's using them. Quite big open space. We got through security and we got through the check-ins and we're now going to go on the ship. We have to go straight to our muster station, which is number E, which is basically the whole like fire or that something goes wrong. That's our station and check-in area, and then we get to go on the ship. So the muster station thing was really easy. Basically, you just go and speak to the women. We are in the glass house as our muster station, which is E, and they just give you a little debriefing of what it means, and then you got to watch the video in your room. Our room is ready. I don't know where we're heading, whether we're going to food or the room, but I think we're going to the room, which is so exciting. It's so pretty. We're actually getting the key in the little area here. We haven't got our suitcases quite yet, but we're going to check in. So I'll probably do a separate video of the room tour and everything like that, but honestly our balcony is so big. I've showed you guys the number, and beautiful day so far here in Southampton. It's definitely cleared up. I can't wait. We're gonna go down to get some food now while it's like as quiet as it's going to be for the rest of the journey, and yeah, see how it goes. It's about an hour and a half since I last actually videoed, but we have had a walk around the ship and just got our own bearings. Getting really interrupted by some cruise ships which are just leaving over there. Hi! And soon we're just going to have another wander around, enjoy some wine on our beautiful balcony, which is massive, and enjoy, well, we're in the shade, but enjoy the beautiful views. So it's our first night on the P&O IONA, and we have got a little outfit check. I went for a black glittery dress. My mum's went for a beautiful black jumpsuit, and my dad has gone for a shirt and some trousers, jeans. I've got these heels on, which I probably will dye in. My dad's wearing some shoes, and my mum was wearing some flats. So for the main dining room while we are eating tonight, men cannot wear shorts. Women can wear like fashionable shorts, but I don't think denim shorts. And then you cannot wear trainers either, so it's worth taking a note of. So we've just left and we're literally wobbling. It is like we are to the side, which I've never felt before, but it just takes a while to get used to, I suppose. Reserve whatever restaurant you want, so we decided to go for the aqua one. Apparently they're all the same, but a lot of people say there's a bit of differences, so we're going to test the aqua one today and see how it goes. This is the menu, very pretty, fancy. You've got the starters, feel free to screenshot. And then courses. The desserts, and so I got this sweet corn risotto. I don't know why there's popcorn on there, but we move. And then we've got the noodles. Do you want any more bread? I'm a little bit envy as well. Really impressed by dinner. It had lots of flavour. The noodles looked amazing and the steak was also good. Mine was quite plain, but it had a really good flavour. Like I said, it had popcorn on for some reason. We're now getting some dessert. I've gone for a cheese plate. Thea's gone for some, I don't know what it is to be honest. And my dad has gone for some pavlova. So overall, we were really impressed by dinner. It was really nice. It was so many good flavours. We're now going to head to the headliner theatre because we've got a show to watch, which I'm very excited for. We just watched the show Digital. It was quite good. It was very theatrical. There was lots of dancing and a bit of acting as well. We personally prefer the MSC ones just because of the way that they are, but we're going to go and look in some of the shops now and see what's around. Just having a sneak peek into the cinema that they've got here. There's 4 different rooms, and I'll show you the whole area. They've got different movies on every day. Nice and big. right back in the room. It is about 10 o'clock now. I am knackered. We've been up. It's been a long 2 days, to be fair. But yeah, basically that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me on my embarkation day with the P&O IONA in 2023. It's been lots of fun so far and I can't wait for tomorrow. Bye.